everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to recover your BitMart account. So let's get started. Launch open your BitMart application on your mobile device or get to bitmart.com website on a computer. Either way, once you're inside the home page, tap on the sign up/sign in button. You will then come across the BitMart login page. If you are trying to log into your existing account, then you will need to enter either your phone or email address associated with BitMart. But in case you've forgotten your password for your account and you are looking for a way to recover your BitMart account and get access back to it, then all you need to do is to find the forgot password link. Tap on it and then enter your phone or email that is associated with your BitMart account. After typing down an email or phone number, click on Next. Select the correct order in the pop-up for this CAPTCHA, and once you do that, you will be taken to this page. Simply click on Get Code and go ahead and log into your email service provider's inbox. You will receive a reset login password from BitMart. Copy the code, get back to BitMart app and paste it inside the verification code tab. Now click on Confirm. On the next page, type in a new password you would like to change to for your account. Make sure to type in a strong password, including these criteria on the display. Re-enter the password once again in the next field. Repeat the same password that you typed in the first one and click on Confirm. Right after you do that, you will be able to reset your password. Next time you log in, write down the newly updated password in the Password tab. Click Sign In once you are done, and you will then be able to get back to your account again. That is how you recover your BitMart account even if you've forgotten your login password while signing in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.